I'm Dr. Mike Erskine. I'm the director of the Equine Medical Center. I'd like to thank you for being here to celebrate the dedication of the Youngkin Equine Soundness Clinic. Performance horses and equine athletes can suffer from a variety of conditions, and a variety of conditions that are best managed by a variety of experts and specialists. This clinic is unique in its purpose. It brings all of those experts together in one place to be able to develop a diagnostic and therapeutic plan for equine athletes.
We are very grateful to Suzanne and Glenn Youngkin for their partnership and their shared vision to help the college meet the goals of creating this state-of-the-art sports medicine facility here at the Equine Medical Center.
I just want to tell you how much we appreciate this.
3, 2, 1. Woo!